Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Hadian. Everybody calls me Ian, and I'm now currently a last year student majoring information systems in Faculty of Computer Science, Universitas Indonesia. A little bit about myself. I am passionate in both technology and business aspect. So I am now how to logically use this my technical knowledge and how to implement it to make a business being grown. If I'm coming from Faculty of Computer Science, I'm not like the other geek student in there. I like to read about business article, I like to crack business cases, I like to learn anything about business. So I'm taking the advantage of my technical knowledge and problem solving skills from Faculty of Computer Science, and also related to my passion in the business area, in business. Combining these two knowledge, I'm sure that I can compete in this Maybank Go Ahead Challenge. And why I want to join this Maybank Go Ahead Challenge is because I want to prove that computer science students is not only a programmer. I want to prove that computer science students also can use their technical knowledge and problem solving skills to crack any business case, to solve business problems. That's all from myself. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.